How to deliver a nagging wife. Long ago, a man and his wife embarked on a journey to a wedding in Canaan. They owned no modern navigation system, only the resolve to drive north and follow the road. The husband took the wheel, steady and focused, while his wife sat beside him, restless and full of complaints. "Why is the road so bumpy?" she grumbled. "Are we even going the right way? Why didn't you ask for better directions?" Her voice filled the car, a relentless stream of worry and frustration. The husband remained calm, but grew increasingly distracted. Finally, he pulled over to the roadside and sat silently, gazing at her with a gentle smile. "Why did you stop?" she asked, her tone sharp. "My dear," he began, "if you were heading to a destination without knowing the exact route, what would you need to ensure you arrive safely?" Caught off guard, she fell silent for a moment before answering. "Well, first, I'd need a GPS to guide the way," she said. He nodded encouragingly. "And what might we encounter on the road?" She paused, her thoughts now turning serious. "We'd face straight paths for smooth driving, curves where we'd need to slow down, and bridges to cross carefully. There might be traffic lights, speed cameras, potholes, and even pedestrians to watch for. We'd have crossroads where we'd need to stop and look, checkpoints to show identification, and hills or mountains to climb. Bad weather might slow us down, and other drivers, some careless or inexperienced, could create risks. And, of course, we'd have to follow the traffic signs to stay safe." As she finished her list, her husband smiled warmly. "Exactly," he said. "And that, my dear wife, is what life is all about. It's not just about you or me. It's about others, the rules that guide us, the obstacles that challenge us, and the lessons we learn along the way." He continued, "Life's journey demands patience and thoughtfulness. Complaining, grumbling, or worrying won't solve anything. Instead, we must navigate each curve, cross each bridge, and face each storm with care, grace, and a willingness to adapt. We're not alone on this road. Every traveler carries their burdens, and we must drive with compassion and purpose." Hearing his words, the wife's eyes filled with understanding. She sighed deeply and whispered, "I'm sorry. I've been selfish and impatient. I'll do better." Seeing her sorrow, the husband gently turned on her favorite music. The soft melody filled the car, lifting her spirit. Soon, she was smiling, dancing in her seat, and laughing as the journey continued. Before they knew it, they arrived at their destination, together, in peace and joy. Moral: life's journey is full of challenges. Hills to climb, rivers to cross, storms to endure, and rules to obey. It's not about you alone, but about others, the environment, and the lessons along the way. Patience, humility, and a positive spirit can transform even the hardest road into a meaningful adventure. Complaining and worrying only weigh you down. Faith, love, and grace will guide you to your destination in peace.